South Africans, I saw you people won the rugby championship last week. I saw it. I decided intentionally not to congratulate you guys. I sat quiet. I subsided the anger. The anger came down. Again, 2 days later, I noticed that you guys have been crowned the 4th most athletic nation in the whole world. I saw it. I subsidized my anger. My anger came down. But this one, I cannot subsidize it too, because yesterday I noticed that you guys have qualification to the round of 16 on the 20 World Cup. No matter what I do, this anger is not going down. I don't know if you people are suffering from succession. South Africa, 1 week, 3 achievement. Is this how you guys have decided to start this month? Look at me. Look at how restless I look. In fact, all of you people that are waiting for me to do a congratulation in